The first melt at the Electrostal plant, which was founded by a gifted Russian manufacturer Nikolai Alexeyevich Ftorov, took place on November 17, 1917. This was the date of birth of the firstborn of the Russian quality metallurgy, the joint stock company Metallurgical plant Electrostal. Production made by the Electrostal plant is distinguished for its variety and complex compositions. Every year, the staff of the plant creates and develops dozens of new grades of steels and alloys. By now, more than 2,000 grades have been put into production. Among these are stainless, high steel, heat-resistant and precision steels and alloys. The joint stock company Metallurgical plant Electrostal supplies metal in form of ingots, rolled sections, forgings, wire, strip and sheet. Almost all processes nowadays known in the quality metallurgy are represented at the plant, from open arc melting to electron beam and plasma jet remelting. Metal melt in the open arc or induction furnaces is cast into molds or teamed by the continuous casting machines. Plant's equipment allows to get ingots of different configuration with the weight from 150 kilograms to 5 tons. Consumable electrodes from high-alloyed steels and heat-resistant alloys for remelting in vacuum arc and electroslag furnaces are produced at the continuous casting machines. A great experience in production of high-quality metal by methods of special metallurgy has been gained at the works. Here, for the first time, the electroslag remelting was used for production of heat-resistant alloys. Vacuum metallurgy, which was a real breakthrough in the industry, has been widely introduced at the plant. Electrostal was a pioneer of mass production of metal in vacuum arc and vacuum induction furnaces. The range of metal cast at the plant by special metallurgy methods is rather impressive and comprises more than 300 steel grades and alloys with different chemical composition and fields of application. But production of supreme metals is only half of a task. Electrostal has a wide and diverse re-rolling equipment which facilitates production of various sections, including not only traditional forming aggregates, but also plants made to original schemes such as an extrusion press, radial shift rolling stand, radial forging machine. Favorable scheme of metal forming at the radial forging machine alloys to get forgings and billets with a high-quality surface and to increase the mechanization and automation level of forging process. The range of products comprises forgings and billets of round and square cross-section with the size of 125–220 mm made of tool, structural and alloyed steels. The Electrostal plant is the main supplier of the new generation disc alloys for aerospace industry. Unique forgings, including washers with the weight of 100–1000 kilograms and rods of round and square cross-section from tool, heat-resistant and high heat-resistant steels and alloys, are produced at the vertical hydraulic press with force of 40 meganewton. With an extrusion press with force of 63 meganewton set into operation, forming of super alloys became possible. Specialists of the plant have mastered the production of rolled section from special steels and alloys at the mill 350–250, which combines radial shift and subsequent continuous lengthwise rolling. The plant was the first in the industry to effect reduction of blocks of different grades of steel and alloys, including multi-alloyed ones with special properties in the radial shift rolling stand. The 350–250 mill is destined for production of rounds with a diameter of 8–75 mm, squares with the side of 8–45 mm, and flats equal size to them, as well as coils of wire rod with a diameter of 8-14 mm. For the purpose of increase in quality of finished metal and diversification of products, an automated surface finishing line was set into operation at the plant. The new line enables producing rolled metal with a diameter from 38 to 200 mm with the accuracy degree of H9, H11 and surface roughness up to 5 micron. The successful cooperation with Metallurgical and Bauman University resulted in putting into effect the idea which for a long time seemed to be impossible. That is to combine in a single efficient and compact module a continuous casting into small sections billets and planetary rolling of sections with high rate pressing in one operation. The use of this technique made it possible to reduce technological cycle, cut power inputs down and increase metal yield when producing wire rod with the diameter of 8-10 mm from a broad range of steels and alloys, including precision ones. The specialized equipment available at the plant enabled Electrostal specialists to master production of about 200 grades of precision alloys and 15,000 items of the shape and grade range of products: hot rolled sheet with a thickness from 3 to 25 mm, cold rolled strip with a thickness from 10 micron to 2.5 mm, and cold drawn wire with a diameter from 20 micron to 7.5 mm. The plant is equipped with various machines for quality analysis of the produced material. The reliability of the Electrostal trademark is verified by the German company TÜV, which certifies the manufactured products. The quality management system currently in force at the plant meets the requirements of ISO 9001 and 2000. The Electrostal plant produces a wide range of stainless and alloyed steels for the domestic market as well as for export. Electrostal metal is used in most modern and refined articles of the production of different branches of industry. It could be found in spaceships and jet airplanes, in cars and trucks, in various complex devices and machines, in automatic control systems and medical instruments. We are ready to satisfy most complicated demands of our partners and would like to offer you to use our unique capabilities in special steels and alloys production.